Okay, we're going back to this thing. Our next craft. We only have 3 worlds now, but now we're gonna start a new one. And we're gonna see how this goes. Please like and subscribe. Pretty basic worlds. Not much to start with. Hey. And I got options, third-person views. I got a custom-made skin. Look at that. That's awesome. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It looks so fresh. Wow. So now look at my jacket, looking so fresh. Look at my jacket. Ooh, more sugarcane. Oh, look at that, my black leather pants. So cool. So let's go. Wow, that is so loud. Sorry about the noise and sound. Like I said in my last video, we're gonna get that fixed. Get a better sound. Ooh, first thing we need to start with, we need some wool to make a bed. So I'm gonna kill the sheep. It's 1 piece of wool. We need some food. And let's start chopping down some trees. Hopefully we come across some more sheep. Get more wool. We actually need a lot of wood because I don't think we're going to be finding coal anytime soon. So when we get a furnace, when we craft the furnace, we're going. Ooh, a next sheep. Chop everything and get that sheep. I hear the next one. I think. Ooh, my lucky day. 3 sheep, 3 pieces of wool. Yes. Wait, don't I have 3 pieces? I didn't pick up that last piece. Oh, good. I remember where it was. I got it. Oh, I thought I saw an next sheep. Although it would be pointless if I saw an next sheep because I don't need it. So I'm gonna just be mining this wood, so I'll come back when I'm done. Okay guys, we are back. This is my little dig, and I got my wood and some other stuff. So anyway, I have my crafting table. I am going to craft a bed. It's some more wood. I mean planks, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I think it's planks. Get some sticks. Use those sticks. Let me get some more, please. And then, come on, wait. I need a stone pick. Hold on, wait. A stone axe. And a couple other things that we need to finish our house. Hopefully we get some flint. Oh, no flint. Anywho. And you hear that clucking sound? No, it's not a wandering chicken. I have a chicken farm. Let me just craft the door real quick. Door. Yeah. Yeah, that could do. And some ladders. I have my own little chicken farm. Let me get some seeds. Oh, yay, some seeds. Some animals to kill so I could put them in my furnace and eat them. Move on in my tummy. Pig with a diamond helmet. Oh, my game is freezing. I don't know why they didn't make it. When you kill a pig, you actually get to take their diamond helmet. Because that would be really helpful right now. Some seeds. Feed. Egg. Feed. Make me one baby. Kill. And yeah. That's basically it. Oh my. Rootless. Oh yeah, and I got these roses. So, wait, they called roses, right? Rose bush, whatever. And then when I sorry that it's so loud, but like I said in my last video, I am going to get better sound and fix it. Wait, I don't think I need one there. Last one could go. Wow. Right there. Can I feed all two of y'all now? Wait. Oh, that was me. Are you stuck in the wall? Don't you want your seeds? And why don't you have eyes? Feed. I'm going to feed you. Oh, the eyes are... Wait, did he just hop on her back? If he could hop on her back, that means he could get out. You're just stupid. Nope, you can't get in. Okay, how much cobblestone I have? Look at that. Maybe get some chests. No. Okay, shovel, pick. Just mind up my floor. Will this be enough dirt? Wow, that's anticlimactic, or whatever they say. It's that. That was completely on accident. Right behind you. 1, 2, 3. Right there. Okay, we getting somewhere. Crafting table. 2 furnaces. And this is why we needed that wood. Cooking wood. I mean chicken. Or pork chop. Cooking pork chop. Cooking pork chop. Cooking pork chop. Cooking steak. Cooking steak. Okay, that's the last item to be smelted. Got my wood back. Ooh, getting dark. Where are my planks? We need some torches desperately, so I'm gonna see you guys when it's then smelted. Okay guys, it's then smelted. Get my wood back. Oh yeah, I have a bed. I just forgot I had a bed. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, let me craft some torches. Okay, I got quite a bit of torches. Sorry. And torch. And let me just finish up on my house. Oh no! My shovel. That was my first shovel that ever shoveled. Should I get a stone shovel? Should I? No. Should I start a garden? Yeah. Yeah, because I might need my shovel to dig up this floor, because we ain't gonna keep it for dirt forever. Because oh yeah, and sorry about the sound again. Let me go mining right now so I could get some stone. Oh. Oh. Convenient. And people usually say that when you reach to block 12, that's where all the diamonds and stuff are. 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna mine it. So I'm gonna keep mining until I think I reach block 12. Right now, I really need cobblestone. But watch, in the future, I won't need cobblestone at all. I could be trying to get rid of my cobblestone. That's how much I won't need it. This is a long process. So I'm gonna get back to you guys when I find something or when my torches run out. Commercial break. Okay guys, that was literally like 2 seconds. I paused the video and we found iron. Literally 2 seconds. I mean, as soon as I paused it, I found iron. 1, 2. Oh, coal! Iron usually comes in 3s, so yep, I was right. Oh, 4. How convenient. And coal comes in a bunch. A ways. Ooh, XP. Please like and subscribe. And comment down what you think I should do with this iron. And check out Unspeakable Minecraft and Ronald OMG. They are the ones that got me started in Minecraft. And Jason Robinson. Trust me, you might think like put in Jason Robinson. try to find his video. He's a little kid who he is sing and no, he don't sing, he is rap. He ain't really that good, but I'm gonna help him out, help him get a good sound system. After I get a good sound system, help him come up with some lyrics, help him write down notes so he could write down his song or rap, then give it to you guys. So please check him out. And I think we are almost done. Hold on, I'll be back. So guys, guess what? I found some iron, a bunch more coal, and then I made an iron pickaxe, a chest plate, some shoes. We mined all the way down here. It is raining outside. We have our little chicken farm, and I told you I'll be overloaded with cobblestone. That's why I mined. And it is raining. I said that already. And it sounds horrible out there. Hear it? I know you want me to go back inside. Oh, there are too many mobs. So I can't go to sleep. I'm gonna do a sensible thing. Take my bed downstairs. I think I'm gonna end my video right here. I knew it was a short one, but try not to waste your time. I will get better at this game. Things will change. Better volume, better sound, and what is that down there? I gotta check that out. I'm glad my phone is glitched sometimes. So I'll see you guys later, but first I gotta do something. I gotta show you where I'm gonna put my chest. I got some food, I got my sapling, and I'm gonna be brave and put my sapling outside like a brave boy. Run, run, run! Creeper in behind me until the creeper is behind me. Me hurry up, get my... No creeper is gonna be nearby. I hope that sound wasn't so bad for y'all, cause that ringed my ear. My chickens are dead. I have a big crater. My life is low. You probably exited off because the sound is horrible. Oh. Anyway, I'm gonna fix my chicken farm. Learn to check before I go in there. And see you guys later. Bye.